Whether you like it or not, meme coins are leading this circle. Money is pouring in from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Solana to these meme coins. Meme coins are the new casino. Of course, it has been a casino for a while now, but it has become a culture that almost everyone in the crypto space is focusing on printing money, buying or selling meme coins. So today I want us to look at some projects that I think are gonna do so well as we await or the Ethereum ETF. The Ethereum ETF is gonna be, I think, it's gonna be launched this week or maybe next week or maybe this year. And also we are looking at Ethereum Solana ETF, in the future. I think we're going to see Solana ETF in the future. These ETFs are going to bring in smart money in the space, and this smart money is going to be poured back to DeFi, and these meme coins are in the DeFi space. So if say you want to take advantage of the crypto casino to understand how the whales play this game, then I want to recommend you be part of my community, part of my channel, subscribe to this channel, and I'm always gonna create content that will impact your investment journey positively for that matter. So do just that. Yeah, guys, it's been a while. I go live. I haven't been going live often these days. I traveled and now I'm back. You can see my normal setup is yeah. I'm now back in the studio, and I can do a live more often with you guys. But I don't promise to do it like every day. These days, I'm focusing on building something really big, and I think it's gonna benefit everyone who is part of my community. All right, I think having said all this, let me just dive right away into what we got for today. Um, we're gonna first of all analyze Bitcoin. Usually I want us to look at Bitcoin, the crypto bubbles, what is going on in the market, the overall picture. We have been seeing some good stuff going on in with crypto. Mostly meme coins have been doing so well. Like if we have to look at the weekly chart, looking at on like the top 100 coins against Bitcoin, see that meme coins have outperformed Bitcoin. You can see it clearly. With Pepe, all the meme coins that are found on the top 100 coins have outperformed Bitcoin. Floki, Bong, Dogecoin. You can see this is for the weekly time frame. You can see Bread also has outperformed Bitcoin by 5%. So meme coins that are found here are doing so well. And if we go to the monthly time frame, you're gonna see that meme coins are doing so well. You can see popcat, Mog, Bong. They are the biggest winners in this top 100 coins against Bitcoin. If we go to the top 200 coins, you're gonna see the same thing. I think we're gonna see same thing. Meme coins. You can see Mio, Sats is doing well. They are the biggest gainers among all time frame or yeah, all time frame. Let me put it that way. The monthly, you can see Michi doing well. Also Apple, you can see Cork is I think yeah, guys. So like before. I must confess because Ponke also. I must confess to you guys that I wasn't really like meme coin hasn't been my thing for a while now because I looked at meme coin as a space where just pure gambling, and those who are gonna be like investing in the meme coin space are going to be losing money and so on and so forth. But at one point, I came to realize if my goal is to trade altcoins and buy Bitcoin, then I have to understand how the meme coin market works to be able to make better decisions, buying them, selling them on time. So I've done countless of research on how to trade meme coins, and I think for the past month now, meme coin has been my biggest gainers in like I've made the biggest gains, the huge gains trading these meme coins. And guys, I'm not in love with any meme coin. All I want to do here is to make money. Of course, you know, when you make money, you have to keep that money. And buying Bitcoin or holding Bitcoin is a way for me to keep that money. That's why you see me trading in between. Bitcoin is like USDT to me. So I always want to be in cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin have most of my of my asset. I have most of my asset in Bitcoin. So you can see clearly that these meme coins are doing so well. Now let's move over to the Big Daddy. Um, if you guys are aware of how I go about looking at the market or trade the market, you know that I love to analyze, or you realize that I love to analyze the market on higher time frame. The reason why always love to analyze the market on higher time frame because it gives me a bigger picture of what the market is doing. I can see clearly macroly what the market is doing. I can see clearly strong support and resistance level that has been respected over a long period of time, and I can then now start looking at these altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin to make me more profit. And if I make more profit, then I'm gonna buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, Ethereum ETF will be launched. Like that's a fact. We're gonna see Ethereum ETF launch, and Ethereum is gonna outperform Bitcoin, no doubt. So as much as I want to have most of my asset in Bitcoin, I also want to have some in Ethereum. These days, I want to have most of it in Ethereum and less in Bitcoin because I think we're gonna see more upside with Ethereum. Now, the Ethereum blockchain is like an application that many other applications run on it. So, excuse the reason why we see layer two protocol on the Ethereum blockchain is to help, with transactions, to help the blockchain to be able to transact fast, quickly, And one of the layer two blockchain on the Ethereum network is the base blockchain or the base network. That's a layer two blockchain, and the coin that is being used on the base network is Ethereum. So for you to buy any base token, like token that is being launched on or they are launched on the base network, then you must have Ethereum to actually buy that coin. So if say for example breath is a meme coin, or one of the like the top coin on the base ecosystem is breath, and if breath is a top coin of the Ethereum of the base ecosystem, it means that if we're gonna see the base blockchain goes to, let's say, like in TVL, let's say about 20 billion, 30 billion, then it means that Ethereum also is going to increase in price. And if Ethereum is going to increase in price, those coins that are top on the base blockchain are also going to increase in price, because those investors who are buying or trading these meme coins on the base network or Ethereum network, they are going to sell to buy either Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin. So their goal is to make more Solana, or make more Ethereum, make more Bitcoin. Bitcoin also have meme coins. I want to share with you guys some meme coins on the on the Bitcoin network that I myself have been making some huge profit from. And so the reason why I want you guys to look at this is that when you understand what the market makers are doing, like what they are doing is they are like moving capital from high market cap to this smaller cap, and these people want to pump this meme coin. Like it's like a culture now, and a meme coin that has a good community, that has diehard community, and the founders are able to hold, like those who create the coin are able to hold and want to push the coin to billions of dollars. Nowadays, they can do it. And you need to be vigilant enough to be able to look at that coin or any particular coin and determine if this coin can make you 10x, 100x, and so on and so forth. So let's just dive into Bitcoin and see, like quickly. Okay, we have been seeing Bitcoin doing well for the past how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the 14th day that Bitcoin has been doing well. Okay, one thing I'm so happy about where Bitcoin is at this point in time is that Bitcoin is above the 5-day EMA, and the 13-day EMA have crisscrossed the 50-day EMA, and you can see here the alpha trend printed a buy signal on the daily time frame, and also you can see price is heading towards where the alpha trend printed or has already gone there, where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. Yeah, that's around $68,000. Price has gone there. Now, the question is now, will price keep going up? You know, I don't think we're gonna see price keep going up. Maybe we're gonna see some sort of reversal back to 60,000 or $63,000, because you can see the Trendillo has printed this overbought area, yeah, this red zone. And whenever you see price around this red zone, it means that they might push price back to the oversold area. The oversold area is down, and then now we are at the overbought area. So the green is the oversold area, while the red is the overbought area. I just want us to be clear. Now that we are seeing, the Trendillo printing this red zone at the overbought area, it means that we might start seeing price taking a U-turn, or start move to the opposite direction. But we cannot confirm now, because price is still above these moving averages that I just mentioned, the 5-day moving average, and the like. I think all of this moving average on the daily time frame, which is positive. So we can still expect price to move straight right up to $70,000. But for us to confirm that we are back in an uptrend, we must see price break and make higher highs. If price is able to make higher highs, then I think we're gonna see the price of Bitcoin plunge more downward to about $49,000 or $52,000. I've been talking about this for some time now, and I think we might get there. We might get right to around 49,000. Because you can see, we haven't yet recovered all of these vectors here, so they can come and recover all of these vector candle here. We also have another vector candle here around the $45,000. $45,000. So they can also bring price right down to $44,000. Guys, all these are possibilities. I'm not saying that you're going to do this instantly, immediately. No, these are all possibilities, that the market maker can push price to those areas. And when you're trading or you're buying altcoins, you will have to play the long game. And the long game means that you want to look at the higher time frame to see what Bitcoin is doing. And when you see what Bitcoin is doing, then you can now approach those coins that move alongside Bitcoin. So now, which coins move alongside Bitcoin? Ethereum, Solana, they move alongside Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is moving, Ethereum is moving, and Solana is moving, it means that the main coins that are on those blockchains are also going to move, and they are going to move more than the the blockchain coins, the cryptos. So on Solana, there are some meme coins that I think actually make sense. One of the meme coins that I'm holding on Solana is Trump. Trump is the leading candidate for the Republican Party in the United States. And Trump is somehow, I think, or there's high chances that he might win the election. And if Trump is going to win the election, then this Trump, or all the Trump coins, are going to do so well. And the reason why I chose this Trump coin is because it has the highest market cap. It has the most liquidity, from, like, if you have to compare it from the other Trump tokens. So this one actually has the most liquidity, and this one is on Solana blockchain. You can also buy it on the base blockchain, but you can still buy it on Solana or Ethereum blockchain. Now, the next coin that I have been keeping an eye on recently is Jayson. I'm going to do a whole video about this coin, because I saw an interview that Jayson Derulo made with Banta, ran from Banta, and this enticed me to go and buy some Jayson coin. And I realize how passionate he is to want to onboard new people into cryptocurrency until he is going to be allowing people to buy tickets, to his Japan concert with the Jayson Coin. This is going to cause the price of this coin to pump. So I think right now that he's like fully committed to this coin, now is the right time to accumulate this coin. Trust me. And if I look at this and bring in my Fibonacci retracement tool, I already did that. Let me just expand it so you guys can see. So you can see clearly where we are right now. We are back in this zone. And what do I always say to you guys? When we see a coin that respect market structure, we want to be able to stay with that coin and push the right and allow the big whales, those who have money, to pump the price, cash out profit, and you're getting in from the pullback. If that coin is able to pull back to an extent, it's most of this liquidity here, then that coin is going to be the coin for you. So this coin right now is at 7.6 million market cap. I'll be GCAing this coin as price keep going up. But I think from where we are right now, we're gonna see price go more up because Jason is able to put or want to put his own hard-earned money into it to make it work. After he was scammed, and I can see the holders also. It has 7.6, or let me just say almost 8,000 holders, which is good. And yeah, so this coin is one of those coins that you can put or keep an eye on. Then another meme coin that I think is gonna really do well is this coin Big. Big is a banter community coin, and the reason why I am betting on this coin is also similar to what I showed you guys with Jayson Coin. So you can see here, with this coin, I want to respect this area. I don't want to respect this pump up here. So you can see with the Jayson Coin, we saw that price was around this area. Same with the Big. This is the banter community token. Price also is around this zone. If you pull the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, what does it mean? It means that if this community is really strong, they are gonna push price and eat this liquidity here. And this is the right time for you to buy. Don't buy when the whales are gonna come in to pump the price. You buy when price is beginning to reverse. When you start seeing green candles after multiple red candles, you start seeing price attempting to make higher lows, higher highs. That's when you start getting back into that coin. So Bit is another coin that I think is the coin that I think, or it's one of the coins that I think can really make you some huge profit this year and next year. Another coin is Ponke. This also is um on the Solana blockchain. Ponke it has a market cap of 300 million. We can see this coin go right up to 1 billion, even 2 billion. I think so. So this coin could be a short-term play for you, to accumulate it. Because like if say I want to buy this coin, like I already made like created an environment for me to buy this coin. I already created it. So if I have to buy this coin, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull this Fibonacci retracement tool like up to the bottom, from the bottom to the top. Yeah, it's gonna create me a range. Now you can see that it has created this range for me, to buy, and you can see price has bounced from this range, and price is still trading above that area. So if price keep holding this or trading above this yellow line, yeah, this yellow shape line, then I'm gonna consider that this is an area of resistance, so I can buy some Ponke, or Ponke, yeah. So that's the name. So moving now to another coin, which is the Mio dog in the cat world. This also is a meme coin. I bought it recently. I found it recently, and it has like we cannot see this coin move. I think right up to about 5 billion or 10 billion market cap. These meme coins are gonna do so well. Why? When you look at platform like Solana, Base, I think Jason Derulo is gonna be partnering with some I think applications or Solana based project that are gonna push the price of this Jayson through his project, through his music. So I think this is going to onboard new users to the crypto space. And if say celebrity like Jason Derulo will have millions of followers across the social media, it means that these guys can come in and buy most of these top meme coins. So through him, we're gonna see not only him, I think we're gonna see more celeb come forth, to make their coin be successful, and they're gonna learn from Jason. And guys, we are talking about billions of people pouring into cryptocurrency. This is gonna change the entire game. So Ponke is one of that coin. Now let's go to the base ecosystem. Let's look at some coins that you can buy with Solana. Dgen is one of those coins. Dgen, you know, this is it. Dgen. It has a market cap of 2.6 million. Liquidity 5.2 million, and yeah. So you can see, if we have to play the game that I mentioned, if we take this two back to the top side, you can see here, you know, we should be able to buy this coin here. Let me just do it quickly so you guys can see. So you can see, let me do this quickly. So if say you believe in this coin, let me just be honest with you guys. Like usually, I want to buy it, but what I teach is like I teach people to wait for breakout first. When you wait for breakout first, then you can confirm through pullback. So if say you are to buy this coin, you might want to wait. You might want to wait for price to break structure. You see that price is about to turn the opposite direction. Then that's when you are gonna buy from pullback. So got price to not pull back, then you can buy from there. So DGen is another coin for you. Mog is also a good coin. This is a Mog. I love the coin so much. Again, most of the coin I'm sharing with you, I hold them. I've been buying them for some time now. I've been trading coin. Not like when I say some time, it doesn't mean that for like so long. I've been trading meme coin consistently for about a month now. You know, Before I just buy some meme coins, I hold my portfolio. I do nothing. But now I'm getting involved in the game, the skin. My skin is in the game, trying to understand how it works for me to make some huge gains with it. You can also look at this coin Toshi. Toshi is right now it is 6.4 million. I think we can see this coin go to 1 billion, no doubt. So keep an eye on Toshi. Don't look at these coins and say it's so um, expensive. It's cheap right now, because if the price lifts this zone and goes to like $1 per Toshi, oh boy, we're talking about the real cash. So we saw price break structure on the 4 hours time frame. Price has come back and price is holding this zone here. So for us to confirm that a continuation to the upside, we must see price to reverse from where price is, at least some green candles that we will do. you know and let me see if say I have breath. Breath is also another coin on the based network, and it's one of those coins that can really make you some huge gains. 2024, you can see price has been respecting structure. So we want to see these coins do well, because again, guys, when you follow the money, then you expect the coin that you are buying to absorb some of the money. So bread and the other meme coins that I just shared here are the ones keeping my eyes on. Of course, I trade in between other meme coins, but these are the ones I am keeping my eyes on. The ones I just share with you. They're the ones that I believe strongly is going to make me some huge gains. All right, guys. I think to an extent we have come to the end of today's show. I want to believe this content was helpful to you somehow. And yeah, if this was helpful to you, and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then go right now and smash the subscribe button. Like this content and share it with someone else out there. Always said all this good stuff. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in